Hey guys, Billy here from Mid Digital Solutions, coming at you from the Oppo studio, and I've been lucky enough to come down on launch day to see the new X5 range, and in this video I want to talk about the Find X5. So this is a really great price phone for brilliant all-round performance, and there's three things on this phone that I think would really benefit your business and really make you consider going for an Oppo phone for your business's next device. So first up, you've got the 4800 milliamp hour battery. So this phone battery, I played around with it, you could easily get a day, day and a half, maybe even 2 days from careful use from this phone battery. It's got a super efficient Snapdragon 888 processor in it as well. So one of the top of the range processors that just makes this phone flow really well. I think it's brilliant. And the battery, that 4800 milliamp hour battery, comes with a 80-watt charger in the box, and that will charge your phone from 0 to 50% in 12 minutes. So if you're rushing out to a meeting, or you're like me and you forget to charge your phone in the morning, this hefty brick will super quickly charge your phone. It's dead cool. So the second feature on this phone, which I think will be great for businesses, especially if you are part of a business or run a business that works outside a lot, is the screen. It's a 1 billion color screen with a typical 1000 nits of brightness, so it's really easy to see out and about when you're outdoors as well. And the third feature on this phone that I think is going to be really great is the design of the phone. So it's designed with Gorilla Glass Victus, which means it's a lot tougher and it's a lot more scratch proof than a lot of other phones that have come out recently. And it's also made with this Oppo proprietary Oppo Glow glass on the back, which makes it completely fingerprintless, so it just stays looking good as well, so it keeps the phone looking nice and professional. So those 3 points are just some of the reasons I think your business could benefit from upgrading to the X5. If you'd like to get in contact, I've got all my contact details in the description, so feel free, fire off some questions to me, and I will see you next time. Thanks very much. Bye.